Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this a beautiful product visualization. So you can see here, this is the cosmetic product visualization. So this is the compose png, this is compose plus color, and this is DOF. So let's start. Welcome back. So this is my render. And if you want to see my this is my the software I'm using, the blender free open version. You can get it from totally free. You can see here, you can notice that this is the main important thing. When you see this, it looks a very good quality and looks a photographic, not realism. It is a very fantastic, and this light behaves as real world behaves, the same position. The main thing is how you can compose and how you can get the good quality visualization from this product. So you can see here the main thing is the light, and it is very important when you are using what kind of render engine you are using, or industrial standard, V-Ray, Octane, Corona, or Maxwell. Maxwell is super for visualization, looks photorealistic, or a photographic render engine. You can see here but in the blender I'm using the LuxCore PBR. It is not a realistic, it is a photographic. You cannot see, and you can't find any unreal or fake, because this is very accuracy. Light is very accuracy. You can see here, this is my you can see here, this is only compose, only compose. This is compose plus color PNG, and this depth of field, you can see here, you can see here a blurry, here is not blurry, here is blurry, and this is direct render. This you can see here the difference between this color and this color direct from render, and this color, see here, and it is very lucrative. So let's start how you can set the render setting, or how you can use, and what kind of material I have used. It is very simple, and it is very easier than EV and cycle. So let's start. So you can see here, this is first I want to see you the compose setting. You can see here, and after when I teach you how to make the compose for compositing, so after that I will show you the material setting, and after material setting I will show you the render setting. So first part, composing. So render, it is the same thing. Denoise, how you can this option turn on albedo and AVG shading normal. It is different from cycles or EV. So denoise, you can see here this denoise, and bright and contrast, this here. Hue saturation, I scale down the saturation, and the box sharpen. You can find this note in cycles or EV. Box sharpen, how you can find, just from filter. You can see here filter option, from box sharpen. You cannot find it. it is just like a unsharpened mask, just sharpen the these images. So after that I use the color balance. So you can see here the color balance. Just you you have to copy this code, hex code, and then this one hex code. Just copy hex code and copy this hex code. So it is compositing. Now I'm gonna show you the material. So go to the layout option, and when I choose this one, this is, you have to change from EV cycles to LuxCore, and same as you should change this LuxCore material nodes. You can see here the LuxCore material node. So when you go to the here, you can see here this is the Disney. This is just like a principal BSDF. So click on hit on here, and for brightness contrast you can see here the glossy material, how you can just shift A and search glossy. You can see here the glossy material, you can then know the same as cycles. This is for texture, you can, this is the different, just search images, import multiple images. Okay, so this node you cannot find this node on cycles. So this node is different type of, and mix it. So and this is the alpha glossy shader. So if you see this part, so this is the logo, and I turn it just like a silver. This is glossy, just like a metal. So this part, to make this part, this is a node for make this, turn this logo into a glossy, just like a silver. You can see here this is a silver type material, because this is the main logo of this product. So go back, and after that this is Zarbody. The node is same as before, just I have changed this texture only. And the main, and another thing is this shader, the cream shader. You cannot find, this is a Disney material. So when you preview, this is a preview, and you can zoom it. This option you can find on the EV or cycles. You can see here the two, you can easily. So when you zoom in out, so you can see here it comes the default position. So if you looked in zoom in out, just click on the two. So this Disney material is just like a principal on the cycles and EV. So Blender Cloud for bump, you can see here I have turned the specular tint. So this is the main shader I have used on this product. And for For background, I have used this glossy material. So you can see here, it is a very easy roughness 0.50, and this RGB color 1 fully color. And now I want to show you the render setting of the LuxCore. It is totally free and open source. So before showing you the render setting, I would love to show you the world setting. That this is the main thing. So go to the world and hit on here for new world setting. You can see here world 1 and world 2. So world 1, sky, click on the sky, gain 0.00030, exposure don't turn it into 0.1 or 1 or 3. So turbidity, turn it on 4.20. It is just like a cycle's sky texture node, but there is a no sky texture node here. So you can see here there is a no option of sky texture to exit the node editor on the environment shader. So you can notice. Now I want to go to the Lux. The main thing is the Lux. It is very, very easy. It is easier than cycles and EV. So at first, light path maximum depth 16, 88, 16, and then hit on the clamp. You can choose the 10 or 5, but don't scale it down than 5. So if you put the more than 10 units, so your render turn into more, you can get more brightness. You can see here the maximum brightness. So next in the sampling. So denoise, don't activate this one and activate this one, halt condition. So this is my 300 sample. You can choose more than 300 for making a video. 300 is enough for making a video. Or if you want to turn this render for still image, you can choose the sample unit minimum 1000. So next one is the photon GI in the catch. Photon GI, the default was 20, but this is the main important thing, the photon GI catch. I set this at 15.8 and 0.05. And click on the indirect light catch, and you can see here some clear error log. Hit on here, so automatically error log automatically disappear. So, and after that, when you go to if you wanna this one, so basic information for compositing, when you this one, alpha, depth, albedo, and normal. So pass layer, click on the depth, click on the albedo from basic information, and for normal, go to the geometry information, click on the AVZ shading normal. So this is the basic render setting, and it is very, very easy to get this one. So check on the YouTube. You cannot find this type of render from Blender in cycles, or you can find the same rendering, same photorealistic, or you can send. I would say this is not a photorealistic. This is a photographic render. So you can compare this render quality only for Maxwell, not from the video or Corona. It is from video or Corona. It is like a fake or artistic, but in the Maxwell or the LuxCore, it is photorealism render. So this is my render. If you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe and hit on bell button to get early new release video. Thanks for watching. Save planet. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.